Here we got some hail and all that, and this is all the white stuff in this hail. Hail and just had a rainstorm here. It's lightning. It's up better now. You got people way over there hiding. Look at all the hail on the ground in our backyard here, Kyle. You can hear the thunder. It's a beautiful day, people running. People at the store across the street. Everything gets wet. Just going by that. Everybody's sleeping in the